give you guys a quick sound check of the Genesis G70 build. Look at this, twin turbo, 3.3 liter, downpipes, charge pipes, cold air intake, ready blow-off valve, makes 520 horse, 600 torque. It's got the Adro kit, fancy work wheels. These are the Zeist STX, and it's been ceramic coated by Adams Polishes. So I'm just gonna keep you maybe about 5 feet away from the car. All right, so it's not like super loud. And then pop this tripod on here, and hopefully it looks decent. Yeah, it looks about right, huh? All right, let's give it a few revs. I don't want to wake up the neighbors. It's a little early, but we'll keep it nice. The valves are open right now. Let me close it and give you a rev. So this is closed. All right, so closed. Super quiet, huh? Now I'll put it to sport. Dude, that sounds so sick. Yeah, she gets a little rowdy up top, but that's because this thing's got no resonators. And I do want to add a resonator on this thing because it's a little too loud. But, you know, it's supposed to be an OE plus OEM kind of daily build. So I didn't want it too loud, but it still gets a little raspy. So maybe I'll add a resonator and then we'll revisit that. But first of all, I gotta take off these plates because I'm gonna get a ticket driving this thing around without plates. Come on. My guys at Genesis actually gave me this. Oh, fancy. It's been over a decade since my last ticket. Pretty good, huh? Like over a decade, my last moving violation, I mean. Okay, pop this on. But I think I got a front plate ticket one time with my Integra. But the cop was super cool. He was like, listen man, I used to have an Integra in college and I like your car, but since I pulled you over, I gotta give you a ticket. So what do you want? Exhaust ticket or plate ticket? I was like, bro, give me a plate ticket. Plate ticket's so much easier to clear than it is, the front plate ticket, the exhaust. The exhaust, you gotta go to California Highway Patrol, and then they might like scrutinize your whole car. With a front plate, you just kind of pop it on and call it a day. So yeah, it's been a while since I got a ticket. But I got a front plate ticket because I never put front plates on any car. I think like the ugliest things in the world. So yeah, that's why you'll never see a Tesla with front plates, because no Tesla driver wants to put a front plate on. Well, there you go. Back to my ugly plates. Oh yeah, this car also has power trunk. Kind of bougie for no reason actually.